Hello everyone, Siddhant Vashish this side, and today I'm here to present my project which is Vita Sports. So the problem statement which we are working upon is that we are democratizing and revolutionizing the whole benchmarking and assessment system of our athletics. So what we are doing is that a user comes up, which is an athlete, he comes up and attempts his test on our app, and we'll be processing his given video. Since he'll be uploading his test into a video format, either he can record on the platform itself or he can upload the video. We'll be processing the video from multiple ML models. First one, it would be cheat detection. We'll check if the video has been manipulated or changed in any aspects. If it passes that test, then we'll be checking it on our other ML models, which are post detection, repetition counters, etc. And we'll be comparing it to the benchmarking video, and we'll be ranking the athlete on that basis. If he does more repetitions and better exercise than the benchmarking video, we'll rank him higher. If he does lower than that, we'll give him suggestions. So as you can see into the video, we just saw the test screens, and now we are exploring the quick buttons of our application, which are nutrition and body logs and recovery plans. Now next up, this is our result section. Once a user has done with the testing process, he can see his results. Second of all, it is our community section, in which we are having 4 sections: feed, group, event and chats. A user can check his feeds, can take mentor sessions, can explore e-commerce section for supplement buying, etc. Also, he can add his favorites into the app itself. Along with that, we also have a AI chatbot feature, in which a user can interact with the chatbot for some small queries or anything and any doubts he has. Along with that, we also have our profile section with analytics inbuilt. A user can check his overall process and progress into our app. Along with that, he can also see the progress he's made in every sports he has taken test of. Along with that, we can give him AI insights, and he can also set his goals into our app itself. So this was the UI part. So for as backend, we are using Convex, which is being used for data fetching, data uploading, leaderboard fetching, and making the app dynamic in all the aspects. Since you can see, there are multiple tables like users, user achievements, test results, purchases, body logs. Every table has its own data, which is dynamically being fetched into our application. We use the APIs and development and production type of the Convex. Along with that, now we have our recent facility. The recent is being used for sending mails while a user enters into our application, as well as when he attempts a test for the report submission. Now you are seeing the VP AI. It is being used as our chatbot into our application, an inbuilt chatbot application using API sections. A user can come up and ask his doubts in multi languages, not just Hindi, not just English, in any languages, and the app, the VP AI, will answer all his queries and give him suggestions and insights, everything he wants to know. So this is the use of VP AI. Along with that, if we move on to our GitHub repo, this is our GitHub repo which we are working upon. We have completed our all the code bases on that. Just you saw, now you're seeing the presentation, the live URL which we are running. This contains all the presentaneous aspects of our project, which a user, a judge, a jury must know about our project, why we have built it, the modern stack sponsors included, what tech stacks we are using, everything about our project, which framework, state management, backend, AIML, UI, UX, what we are using, what are the price categories, what impact potentials, what we have done, what are psychology, what is our philosophy of our project. Everything has been stated into that PPT. Along with that, here is our README file. It contains each and every detail about our project, which a user, a developer, a jury, a judge should be knowing and must be knowing and he ought to know about our project. It contains every detail, including product structure, the 5-minute summary, what APIs we are using, the API codes, the layers, the architectures, the code screens, the workflows, the mentor sections, the API integrations, AI conversation context, what workflows we are using, what is the flow of our complete application, what is the data we are using, the developer section, who have made it, even since I am the one developing the project itself. So my name is already mentioned into the GitHub repo itself, Siddhant at the rate Sid Vashish 2005. This is my GitHub repo. So this is our schema into our convex, which we have made for storing our data. On the basis of this schema, which we have prepared, the user details get filled into our convex section. So this was our project, juries. Please do let me know how you felt about our project, how you like it, and thanks a lot, sir. Siddhant Vishesh signing out. Thank you, sir.